All right, so make sure you watch all this. We're going to look at this problem in more than one way. And you got two pieces of information here, or really three. But a ferry boat travels at a constant speed of 57.5 miles in 2.5 hours. How long will it take the ferry boat to travel 92 miles? It also says that the ferry boat travels at a rate of 23 miles per hour. So this is actually our unit rate. So it's like they did the work for us. They told us our miles per hour, and they told us that we got 57.5 miles for every 2.5 hours. And it's like they found our unit rate. They took this and divided it by 2.5 to get us 1, so 1 hour. And they kind of told us that if I divided this by 2.5, I'm going to get 23. How does that help us find the final answer of 92 miles? So how long will it take to go 92 miles? So remember, miles is what we have up on the top. We want this to equal 92. So this isn't great because we don't have the 1. We have our unit rate of 1, and we don't have something we can just multiply by and say, hey, I know what to multiply by. Because the number that's actually being multiplied or enlarged is up at the top. So you just got to look at this problem and make sure you put the units in the right spot. But you ask yourself, can I multiply 23 by something to get 92? And so you can start counting, like 23 plus another 23 is 46, plus another 23 is 69, plus another 23 is actually 92. So it took us 23. So what we did is we multiplied by 4 to 23 to get 92. So what am I multiplied by 1 by? By 4. It's going to take us 4 hours to go 92 miles. Okay? So I told you we'd look at this problem in two different ways. Another way to look at this problem is understanding an equation that you all may have seen in science, but distance equals our rate times our time. So the distance we wanted to go was 92 miles. Our rate is our unit rate, which is 23 miles per hour. Our time is what we don't know. So you all should know, based on our last unit, like, how do we solve for t? How do you get t by itself? This is 23 times t. We do the opposite of times t, and we divide. We're going to get a new expression, right? So the 23s are going to cancel each other. Our equal sign comes down. Our t comes down. And 92 divided by 23 is 4. So we found our answer again. It's the same thing. It takes 4 hours. Now, the distance equation was kind of just extending this into science, but really we can just use our unit rates and our understanding of comparing ratios to get to this answer.